The extra body weight makes you look weird and reduces the charm of your personality. The people try exercises and many other methods to shed extra pound from the body. The majority of people gain extra fat due to consumption of unhealthy and junk food. If you are also facing a problem of extra weight and want to reduce extra weight, then this smoothie will be beneficial for you. Consuming banana ginger smoothie does not make you happy, but it controls the level of sugar in the body and helps in weight loss process as well. Let's know how banana ginger smoothie is helpful for weight loss and what is the recipe of it. According to a study, the banana is very helpful in shedding extra body weight. If fatty people consume banana daily, they reduce weight quickly. Banana contains fiber and pectin, which helps to remove the toxic substance from the body by improving the digestive system. Eating bananas keep energy in your body for throughout the day. It also makes you feel full for longer, due to which you do not feel hungry for a long period of time. Similarly, according to another study, consuming ginger reduces the extra weight of the body. The cholesterol content present in the ginger balances the body and makes metabolism strong, which does not cause fat. Therefore, banana ginger smoothie helps to reduce the amount of sugar and cholesterol in your body and improve the digestion. Let's learn how to banana ginger smoothie recipe. Take a banana, 1 bowl of blueberries, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 teaspoons flax seed and half bowl of spinach. Mix with some water to make banana ginger smoothie. Check that the smoothing should not be thicker, or else blend it with a little water and mix it together. Now add the mixture to the glass and add ice to it and take it to the place of breakfast. Eating empty stomach in the morning every day helps to lose weight quickly. So this is how to lose weight quickly with banana and ginger smoothie. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.